welcome back to another video. It's Damien Hinckley here. It's step 10 of the Salesvision Mindset360 training. Just got a little bit chilly out here, so I'll have to don the old flanny again. Love me flannies, as you can probably tell already. Keep wearing the same 1,000 times. Oops. So in this video, all we really had to do was watch the video, and that's it. But I'm going to make a video about it anyway, because that's what we're doing, and I'm just going to keep this momentum ball rolling. You know, the videos are fun anyway, so let's keep rolling. So, I watched the video. What did I get from the video? What were my takeaways? What I got from the video is that, you know, it's really important to put yourself in a position of, you know, wanting to give to others, and really just coming from a place of love in whatever you do. So when you're having a conversation with, you know, anyone, it's just from a place of love. You really want to get to know the person and understand them, and your mind is not anywhere else but present and in that conversation, because all you really care about in that moment is about that person and how you can give back to them and help them achieve their goals. So the way that you do that is you can ask them questions like, what are your dreams? What are you passionate about? What makes you laugh? What's the silliest thing that's ever happened to you? You know, if you could wake up anywhere in the world tomorrow, where would it be and why? You can ask these sort of questions. They're very interesting questions that are going to get these people talking to you, and then you can ask questions off the back of those questions. So what I'm going to do now is just give a little bit of a recap of the things that we've done so far. It's really positive. As you can see, I forgot what I was going to say, but anyway, let's just get into it. Don't worry about it. So the first thing that we had to do was start a YouTube channel. My experience with that has been awesome. I've tried to start a YouTube channel a couple of times and failed miserably. Like I've gone and jumped on my PlayStation, I've jumped on a different computer and another different computer to start liking it and commenting it and trying to get it building, and you know, I've just never had any success. And with these guys, I've already got, you know, 12 subscribers, over 100 views in like I don't know how many days I've been doing this, but the results that I've been seeing have been amazing. Like the interaction and engagement that I'm getting are great. Like these skills and the training that you give is bang on. So enough of that. I've started an Instagram account. I've already had one of them. That's just doing its thing. I've got to put some more effort into that one. That's what I'll get into that. The third thing we had to do was what's your why, really powerful. So what's your vision in life, what's your purpose? So when things get tough, you know, people are going to find things hard in life, and your why is going to push and pull you through those little tough periods. So although a lot of people are fearful of getting on and jumping on behind the camera, I know I was, like I used to shit myself all the time. But fear is just a concept that is made up in your own mind. There's no such thing as fear. And I'll be honest, at the moment, you know, I think because I've had a crack so many times before, and in this moment at the moment, with the way that the training's designed and, you know, what they're offering you, like, it's just very aligned with me. So I'm not even thinking about anything about what anyone else thinks or what people think of me, or if I'm funny, if I stuff up. I'm not even like editing these things, except if I really need to. Like, who cares? It's just about being you. Like, in general conversation, when you talk to someone, you forget what you're saying. You don't edit it out. You don't go, hold on mate, just wait 1 second, I'm just going to cut that out and start again. You just keep moving forward. So on to the next thing we had to do for number 4 is a Mark Horvison review. Amazing review, amazing guys, really great teachings that are in the back end of Salesvision. The training is all in there. Solomon's training, I've been lucky enough to get a few sneak excerpts from Vincent's training. You know, very, very relatable to business and just life in general. Number 5 was reviewing Vincent Ortega Jr., another great one, you know, about vision and purpose. Then we had to go on to our $1 Million Day, and that was just about cleaning shit out of your life. So, I mean, like, you know, literally stuff. So, cleaning out, not shit. I mean, you could if you want to, sorry about that. Didn't want to go there, but we did. So you could be cleaning out clothes, you could be cleaning out, like I know blokes, like the blokes out there, especially when I had a garage, there was just crap everywhere, just stuff you didn't need. So you were cleaning that out, the ladies were cleaning the closets out. I didn't have a garage, so I cleaned out my wardrobe. And after it, I could feel the space in my room, and I could feel that in my mind, like the feng shui in your room. You know, it's a thing. So keep your room clean and tidy, and keep space in your house. It'll help you. Number 7 was how to be a professional inviter, and get people playing the game. You learn how to do that. So about building rapport goes back to what I said earlier about building rapport, asking these people certain questions just to get to know them and understand them as a person. The next one is number 8, was a dream builder and your vision board. Really love the vision board thing, had heaps of fun with that. I've done it before, but they're always good to do new ones. Clean out the old stuff that you don't want anymore and put in the new stuff that you want now. Number 9 was cleaning out your Facebook. So getting rid of toxic people from your Facebook account, people that are negative, people that are not really supportive of where you're going. We were getting them out and cleaned out and done and not in our lives anymore. Just want to operate with people that are vibrating on a high frequency, positive Patricks, all those sort of things, and supportive Susans. Those are the names that I'm giving them for the moment. Right, and then 10, this video right now. So that's what we've had to do so far. If you've been following me along, you've probably seen my growth. If you haven't, go back and start watching the videos. Start understanding what we're doing, what we're about. If you watch these videos, you're going to learn what you could be learning, and you can start to see how the growth in each of us is starting to develop. So I'm really excited about what's coming around the corner for Salesvision. These guys have got some really fun things going on, affiliate stuff. I'm an affiliate, I'm part of it, I'm part of the family. The training that as I've just said, what you're seeing is exactly what you guys are going to be seeing out there. What we really want to do is we want to support you, want to help achieve your goals. It's like in the other video, my mindset at the moment, all I'm focused on is putting these videos out and hopefully inspiring and motivating people out there to do the same. I just want to help people hit their goals. So let me help you by helping me by helping you, if that made sense. Much love and peace, and we'll see you on the next video. See you later, guys.